Hey, what's up everybody? Keeping your immune system strong is like having a superhero squad inside your body. Today we're diving into natural remedies to power up your immune system. We're talking about powerful herbs that have been used for centuries to boost immunity. You can easily incorporate these into your daily routine. Get ready to unlock the secrets of nature's medicine cabinet. Let's kick things off with a fan favorite, elderberry. This amazing berry is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can supercharge your immune system. Studies have shown that elderberry can actually shorten the duration of colds and flu. You can find elderberry in different forms like syrups, capsules, or even teas. Personally, I love a good elderberry syrup. Add it to your water, tea, or even drizzle it over pancakes for a tasty immune boost. Look for elderberry products standardized for bioflavonoids, which give elderberry its potent antioxidant properties. Next up, we have echinacea, a powerhouse herb used for centuries to fight off infections. This amazing plant stimulates the production of white blood cells, your body's first line of defense. Echinacea is especially effective against upper respiratory infections like the common cold and flu. You can find it in various forms like teas, tinctures, and capsules. When choosing an echinacea product, opt for one that contains both the root and the herb. Start taking echinacea at the first sign of a cold or flu to maximize its effectiveness. Now let's talk about thyme. This aromatic herb boasts powerful antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections, especially respiratory ones. Thyme contains thymol, which has strong antiseptic and expectorant properties. It can help clear up mucus and congestion, making it easier to breathe. Thyme is a popular ingredient in many cough syrups and lozenges. Brew a soothing cup of thyme tea by steeping a teaspoon of dried thyme in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon for taste and additional immune-boosting benefits. Let's move on to a kitchen staple with incredible medicinal properties. Garlic. This pungent bulb contains allicin, which has potent antiviral and antibacterial effects. Garlic boosts the activity of white blood cells, strengthening your body's natural defenses. The best way to reap the benefits of garlic is to eat it raw. Try adding crushed garlic to your salad dressings, dips, or even swallowing a clove like a pill. If you can't stomach it raw, incorporating garlic into your cooking is still beneficial. Last but not least, we have ginger, a warming spice used for centuries in traditional medicine. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This amazing root can soothe sore throats, reduce nausea, and alleviate headaches. One of my favorite ways to enjoy ginger is by making a soothing cup of ginger tea. Simmer a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain and enjoy. So there you have it. 5 incredible herbs that can naturally boost your immune system. Remember, these natural remedies are not a substitute for medical advice. Always choose high-quality organic herbs when possible. Consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.